Alright, so welcome to the last video of the course. Now in this video we'll actually not be learning anything. I just wanted to thank you guys for taking this course, and I'm going to do that with the help of a simple C program. I'll simply print whatever I want to on the screen. So I'll say thank you so much. I'll go to the next line and I'll say this was fun. So there we go, my program says everything that I wanted to tell you guys. So let's run this and see for the sake of formality, because you know what the output is going to be. I'll simply say whatever I want you to. So thank you so much guys, this was fun, and if you have any doubts, any queries, you can always ping me in the discussion section. So once again, thank you all for taking the course. I hope to see you soon. This is me signing off.